Hello everyone and welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to show you how to fix the COD Modern Warfare 3 on Steam not opening. This also works for Warzone, so don't worry. Well, the first thing you have to do is to go to the library and you have to find the game. In my case I don't have the code here, but I will make the example with the Binding of Isaac. So once you're here you have to right click on your game, then you have to go to properties. So you press properties and then you have to go to installed files. So here in installed files you have to press verify these game files are installed correctly. So you press verify integrity of game file here and it will start verifying your game. So when it finishes, it will start downloading the files that are corrupt on our game, and after the download finishes you will be able to play the game normally. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe and press the bell in the subscription button. And you can see that in our channel we have a lot of tutorials that will help you with games and more. Goodbye and easy way.